What's up, you beautiful people? Thank you once again for tuning into my channel. I'm Sadiq. Today we're going to talk about my experience of switching to iPhone from an Android phone in 2020. I used to use a Google Pixel 3 XL and recently switched to an iPhone 12 Pro Max. So we're going to talk about what I liked and what I don't like about the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So stay tuned. So before we start, I would like to request an early thumbs up and request you to join our YouTube family so you can stay tuned to contents like this in the future. So until recently, I was using this Google Pixel 3 XL. So when I got the phone, I really got it because it was the king of mobile photography when it came out. It took some insane photographs. And to be honest with you, for the past 2 years, I would just take this I'm just getting so mixed up with this phone everywhere and takes for photos, and they were, I would say, per to the DSLR or other cameras that I have, the photos were just simply insane. I feel when I was looking into the new phone market and upgrading to something new, just because of the Google Pixel 3 XL was slowing down, Google Pixel 5 XL didn't follow the trend, and I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but there's a lot of good cameras, a lot of phones with cameras out there, which I feel is far superior than Google Pixel 5 XL. So when I was looking into upgrading to my cell phone, obviously the camera or phone I kind of got veered towards was the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It just has some insane photographs and insane video from what I saw online. So that's one of the reasons why I chose the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So right out of the box, the iPhone 12 Pro Max was fairly easy to set it up. It was also fairly easy to transfer my Android messages, text, and emails from my Google Pixel 3 XL to 12 Pro Max. Unfortunately, the apps were a different story. So if you have a lot of apps on your Android Google Play Store, you unfortunately have to install those apps on your iPhone through Apple Store. So that took me a little bit of time to transfer all my apps onto the new phone. It's a little bit time consuming, but yeah, I understand there's totally two different systems, so that was kind of a given. So the first thing I really like about the new Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max is the fit and finish and the looks of it. It does look very premium. It feels very good in the hand. It has that nice weight, but also the design wise is just spectacular. It kind of reminds me of the other phone, which is the Google Pixel 3 XL when I got it. The design wise, it was such a spectacular phone. It looked so nice. It just was so flush. When you got it, it felt special. So I got the same feeling when I got the Apple 12 Pro Max. So good job, Apple, on getting the phone and making it feel very, very special. So the next thing I like about the new iPhone 12, well, for me, it's new. I'm pretty sure if you're an Apple user, this feature has been there for a long time, is the face recognition and the ability to unlock your phone with your face recognition feature on Apple. It just makes your life so much easier. And I'm just got so much used to this feature. I don't have to think twice about tapping in or putting my password in. I just put my phone towards my face and voila, the phone opens up. It's just a cool and neat feature. The next thing I like about the new iPhone 12 Pro Max is the security feature that comes with all the apps. All the apps that you open right now, in order to use your location or any other data from your phone, it has to ask for your permission, which Apple has been really pushing hard from a customer's point of view, or the right for privacy, which I feel is fantastic, despite what some of the other companies might be saying that, you know, it's affecting business and whatever not. I believe that the customer privacy is really, really important, and I'm really liking the fact that Apple is pushing for it and giving some of the rights back to customers in terms of what information they would like to share with the app and what information they would not like to share with the app. Definitely is a really cool feature overall for all Apple devices. I really appreciate that. So the next thing I like about the Apple 12 Pro Max is the video and photo quality is simply fantastic. I haven't had a chance to take a lot of videos or photos yet, but I did do a video of the Christmas special with just the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and if you haven't checked the video out, the link should be somewhere here. So do check it out and let me know what you think. I personally think the video looks fantastic. It was dark, and even though there were a lot of Christmas lights, it just looks so fantastic. The color production was surreal. I think it just was so vivid. It actually feels like I'm in that scenario again and enjoying the lights. So I really like how far Apple has come with the videos, and I feel it's a force to be reckoned with in the cell phone video or photo department. It just is so fantastic. Absolutely love it. So the next thing I like about the new 12 Pro Max is that you can fairly easily access Siri just by saying, "Hey Siri." Once again, I apologize if this is boring you and you've been using iPhone for a while. I myself haven't used any new iPhone after the iPhone 5 until recently, so I'm really liking the feature where you can just say, "Hey Siri." Doesn't matter where your phone is on the table, as long as it hears it will come back to you and give you the answer to your query. Whereas the Google Pixel 3 XL, this was kind of driving me nuts. You had to actually squeeze the phone to activate Google Assistant and ask your question, and sometimes it just was not the best opportune way to reach out to your phone and squeeze that. I'm not sure if there was any other way to reach out to your Google Assistant. Please, in the comments section below, let me know if I'm wrong, how to activate the Google Assistant. If there's any other way on Google Pixel 3 XL, I would definitely like to know that. So now some of the things I did not like about the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's start with the charging cables. First of all, the new iPhone 12 lineup doesn't come with a charging block. Apple is getting rid of it. They're saying it's for environmental reason. I highly doubt that. So it definitely is a pain point. Now, not only you have to get a charging block, or you have to do something else to charge it wirelessly, you have to get an extra device, you have to pay extra money for that. Not only that, what I also don't get is that why can't Apple just stick to USB-C or just go with USB-C cable for their Apple phones? It just would make things so much easier, because most of the other devices nowadays has the USB-C cable, whether they're using it for charging or connectivity. I just find that Apple always have to do something different, and it just such a pain in the back for getting this different cable which have to work for your specialty Apple product. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is the artifact or flare produced by the Apple 12 Pro Max camera. I don't know whether it's just me, but from the time I took the video from the Christmas special, there were a lot of flares and artifacts coming into the video as I pulled into Premiere later on. And some of the people may say this is very normal if you have a lens closer to a light, but for some reason I feel that it's a little bit more than what would show up on any other cell phone camera or even regular camera's lens. And I was not alone. I actually looked online. There was a couple of Reddit threads where users, professional photographers and videographers are saying the same thing, where it seems like there's a little bit more flares and artifacts being produced by the 12 Pro Max camera. I'm not sure how Apple would address it later on, so I would definitely be interested to find out later on if they have a fix for that. So stay tuned. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is the iCloud backup for your photos, videos, and everything not on your phone. Even though your phone may have 120 gigs of space, you can use it for taking videos or photos. If you want to have a backup simultaneously to your iCloud, it may be a problem, because your iCloud storage currently comes with a 5 gigs of free space, and then Apple starts charging you, which I find a little bit odd, because 5 gig nowadays is very, very easy to fill up if you're taking a lot of videos or photos. Where I found Google was a lot more friendlier, because with Google, the Google Drive, first of all, comes with a bigger space, something around 10 gigs or more. Not only that, if you want to, you can actually create multiple Google accounts, your Gmail accounts, and upload your photos or back up your photos to different accounts from your phone. So which really comes in handy and helpful, and it's free. So I think definitely in this scenario, Google has an upper hand. I'm not sure whether you can do the same thing with your iCloud. If you can create a separate account for free and keep on backing up your photos to a separate account. If you can do that, please let me know in the comment section below what are some of the recourses for backing up your photos from your iPhone 12 or iPhone in general. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is the issue related to actual transition from Android to Apple. If you have been using Android for a while like myself, it's more than likely most of the devices around the house is also Android based. Like myself as well, we have Android TV, we have the Google Home Mini, whatnot. And what I found out, sometimes the Apple phone does not work well with devices that has Google Chromecast or ability to do so. You have to go to a different platform or figure out a way to work around it. So definitely a little bit of a learning curve along the way, also something to get used to as you get more of the different product and going to a different environment. Something you should be aware of if you're actually switching from an Android device to an Apple device. Well guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed that video. In the comment section below, let me know what you liked or what you didn't like about the video. Let me know if you're using currently a Google Pixel phone lineup or an Apple phone and how your experience has been like so far. I would definitely like to hear back from you. Until next time, take excellent care of yourself. Love and respect each other just like the way you like to be loved and respected. Love you guys. Bye.